All right, guys, going into another episode here. This one is going to be just a quick little short video. We're just going to show you how to do a little bit of a transition here, starting on the C major chord. We're just going to take that top G, put it at the bottom. That's our C first inversion, and have that A on your left hand. For the A, it's going to be A flat, and then G. All right, A, G sharp, and then G to go to the C. Right? And on the right hand, you're gonna take that G first inversion, everything goes down half a step, then down half a step again, and then that F goes into the E in the thumb. Again, C, go into that B first inversion, and then the B flat first inversion. And then drop that F to an E. Together, it goes like this. Down a half step again, and C in the left, drop that F to E in the right. Again. Now, if you've been playing for a while, you will probably hear this from other people doing this transition in various songs. Right? Going to the F even. I'll even play a little example here. Don't know if you guys know this song, but you'll see when I play it. Here it comes. All right, and then back to the chorus again. In fact, I believe this song is on my tutorials. If not, it's gonna be. So it'll be talking to this video. If it's not, it will be in the future. But there you go. That's pretty much it.